Now let's continue. Functions of proteins. Proteins are essential for the synthesis of protoplasm, for growth and repair of worn out body cells. It is a cell, and growth takes place when this cell is divided into two cells. When this cell is divided into two cells, a cell division takes place and process of growth occur. New cells require new protoplasm. New cells form new protoplasm, and for the formation of new protoplasm, proteins are essential components. And proteins are also essential components to repair of worn out of body cells. Proteins are essential for the synthesis of enzymes and some hormones. What are enzymes? Enzymes are biological catalysts made of proteins. They alter the rate of chemical reactions without being participated. We have many enzymes. We have digestive enzymes like protease, amylase, carbohydrates made up of proteins. Without enzymes, we cannot digest food. Without enzymes, there are many systems are present in our body, and in all those systems, enzymes are essential, which are made up of proteins. And what are hormones? Hormones are regulatory substance produced in an organism to stimulate a specific cell and tissue into actions. Proteins are used in the formation of antibodies to combat diseases. Means proteins are used in the formation of antibodies. When any bacteria or virus enter in our body, antibodies fight with it, and for the formation of antibodies, proteins are essential. Proteins are also used as a source of energy. We can also obtain energy from protein. Now, effects of protein deficiency. An average adult needs 50 to 100 grams of proteins a day. A deficiency of proteins in the diet of children may lead to a protein deficiency disease called kwashiorkor. Such children usually have swollen abdomen, their skin cracks and becomes scaly. Thank you very much, class. Allah Hafiz.